Hi, this is Adam Lane from PocketNow.com, and you're watching a Windows Phone Mango preview. Okay, so what's new with Office? First off, before we go into the Office Hub, you'll see that I pinned a live tile here called New Note. So that's going to be quick, easy access to making new OneNote notes. That's a pretty cool thing. So let's go to the Office Hub. And this has been redesigned a bit. We get the notes first. They're all different color now, and they scroll vertically instead of horizontally. And down here we have all notebooks is there. And this is how you make that new button on the start menu, pin to start. And we have a search. This is going to search the titles of all your OneNote notebooks on SkyDrive and SharePoint. Really cool feature, especially if you have a ton of notes. Holy cow. So there we are. Before we go, let's check. I think here's my test note. So this is going to show you what is supported in OneNote Mobile. Okay, so up here I have some ink notes, and you can see those do not display. Here are some embedded documents. It shows up as attachments, and I can tap it. It's going to say, do you want to download it? So I can get that. And those will open just fine. Here's a table that's supported. Checkboxes are now supported. Hooray! Numbered lists still supported. Links to other OneNote pages, that doesn't work. There's some ink handwriting. Movie test videos work. That works fine. Hello. And audio recordings from OneNote 2010 work fine. And there's your pictures. Equations, math stuff doesn't happen. Shape drawings show up kind of weird. So there's what is supported. We've added some things, that's good. Still missing some things. Now in editing, we can now add to-do check marks. That's good. Pictures and audio is still there. Indenting and formatting is very simple here. So slight upgrade to OneNote, not bad. Over here are documents. Now you can see these show up as kind of live tile type things now. And what's unique? Tap and hold, pin to start. I can now pin all sorts of Office documents to the start menu. So this is great for quick access to something you're working on. Of course you can remove it. And PDFs show up here, but you cannot pin PDFs to the start menu. I can open it though. So there's those. There's your new button. Here's your search button. This is going to search all your Office documents. You can choose all. That's going to go to SkyDrive and SharePoint. Or you can choose just SkyDrive. Or you can choose just Phone. Or just SharePoint. And this will search file names, not the contents of the files. But still, pretty nice to have a search there. Especially cloud search. Now here's your locations pane. This is the last pane in the Office Hub. Down here you can add a new location. That's for more SharePoint locations. But by default you got your SkyDrive associated with your phone account. So you can only add one. And you can see shared folders as well. So these are folders shared by other people. And you can even see some of these folders are being shared with other people. Easy access. There's a video I have on SkyDrive, but what happens when I tap it? It goes to Internet Explorer first of all, which is weird. And it says error. so it doesn't stream or download my video from SkyDrive. Hopefully that'll be fixed. One thing that was kind of annoying is I hit the back button. I was expecting to go back to the root of the SkyDrive, but you have to use this up button instead. So there you go. Here's a SharePoint site. And this hasn't changed much. If I go to these libraries, it's still plain text. I can't do anything with it. Pictures library doesn't show up here. Tasks you can't do anything with. Really, it's only for accessing document libraries. So there's a SharePoint document library. Now what about some of these Office programs? Let's check out Excel. This has some new stuff. You can now select multiple cells. And we have auto sum features. And we have filtering. And we have formula editing. Look at all that stuff. Lots of fun Excel features. Of course, we still have commenting. And there's some of your other stuff. We have Save As, and you can choose phone or SkyDrive. No SharePoint. I don't know if that's a bug or it's coming. Okay. So there's some cool stuff in Excel. PowerPoint seems mostly the same. So that's still good. And here's a Word document. You have Find, so you can do a quick search. But oh no! Cannot edit Word 97 to 2003 documents. I hope that's a bug. There's a newer Word document. So that's fine for editing. And we don't really have that much options for editing. But it's okay. Here's our all notes. And this is showing all of the notebooks, the OneNote notebooks on my SkyDrive. So I don't have to go to the web and navigate SkyDrive through the web interface and find it anymore. They're all listed here automatically. So that's really great. So there's the new Office Hub. Lots of great new features. Be sure to check out PocketNow.com for our full Windows Phone Mango preview. And that's it for now.